Can your boss see your Slack direct message? So in here, if you want to DM someone, you can simply tap on the DM option right here, and you can tap on add teammates, and then you can now choose whether you want to share a link, add from contacts, add from Google contacts, or add by mail, and add any of your teammates and DM with them, right? So in here, you have to know that regular managers and team leads cannot read your private DMs or private channel chats from their personal dashboard. So, however, workspace owner on specific corporate enterprise grid plans on a request or configure automated compliance data export that saves all direct messages. Check your workspace corporate private policy to see if legal compliance logging tools are active or not. So yeah, so technically the standard procedure is they cannot actually view it legally, but if they do have some sort of analyzing, or if they are investigating into something, then they might be able to do it by downloading all of your data. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.